Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I did this very gorgeous floral cake stand decorations. I used two hula hoops that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just took off the metallic sticker on top. I also used this shadow box I got from Walmart in the clearance section. So after you take out the holographic sticker on the hula hoops, you're just going to tape the bottoms together. Then you're going to use hot glue to stick the sides, the hula hoop to the sides of the box. And then once the hot glue is set, you're going to use Gorilla Glue to stick it so that it's like a permanent stuck, so it won't get loose. After the glue dries, you're going to spray paint it with some gold spray paint. I prefer to do that outside. It's going to look like this afterwards. Once the spray paint is dry, we're going to start to glue on our flowers. So I want to cover the edge where the hula hoop meets the box. So I'm just going to glue a whole bunch of flowers. I use roses, eucalyptus, some foliage. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then after that, after I put on the foliage, we're going to work at the top. So the two hula hoops are glued together on the top. I'm just tightening them with some floral tape. And then I'm going to use some floral tape and some hot glue to glue on more foliage, some hanging vines, a whole bunch of different types of flowers, mostly roses, and then the vines. And then I also have a beaded pearls on a beaded string that I'm going to hang from the middle. I'm not making it too long because I don't want it to take away from the cake. So the top is beautiful, but it's not super distracting, if that makes sense. Just so your eye looks at the beauty of this centerpiece, and also you can still concentrate on the cake. So I hope you enjoyed this, and it's so quick and easy, and it's definitely something that you can do in just an afternoon, and it looks like $100 for sure. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye bye.